Oh my god. Well, it's been a few. So let's go over what's been going on, because that's what's going on. First, let's talk about the tribute build. It's been something I haven't really been doing a lot of stuff on camera, and well, as you can see with the channel history for the uploads, I haven't really done shit lately. However, I did end up finishing Tribute, and it plays like a boss. I can't complain one bit. So what else has happened in this 1 year of being offline? I started prototyping a new kind of build, trying some new things, and well, it kind of became a real passion project. But I also got embroiled in a lot of client work. Epiphone Phil came back with a guitar that he had bought off Craigslist that was basically a project guitar somebody had started from scratch but never finished. So I had to finish, assemble, and set up this guitar I'd never touched before, and it sounded really awesome and came out really nice. This guitar in particular had an issue with the finish I'd put on it, because the last guy who had put finish on it didn't use lacquer like I was, and well, some weird shit happened. I capitalized off of it, and the client loved it. So it ended up permeating into another guitar I'd purchased, which was a Madeira. And this Madeira was a guitar that I had growing up, so I'd found it really cheap on Guitar Center and bought it. And well, it needed a lot of work, so I started a whole bunch of work, and it's still in the works. And before we get too carried away, I think a demo of Epiphone Phil's build is in order. With that, I'm going to circle back to some of the other projects that I've been working on, and one in particular I'm still working on is a build for Mr. Jim Ty, one of my favorite all-time people in the world. And this is a build that's still in progress. I'm really happy with the results so far, and I've gotten a chance to try out my new polisher. It's a win. But I've also started to undertake another project because ADHD is a hell of a drug. And that project is a 1980s Epiphone that I've owned since I was about 16 years old. This guitar has been, well, how do I say, like a best friend. It's been with me since the beginning of me being a musician, and I've written a majority of the music that I've created with that same instrument. It needs a little bit of help because it's been sitting in my old drummer's basement for about 6 years, I think now. And so that one's another project that I've started yet again. So even though I got all these projects going on, I'm really happy with what I've discovered in the Epiphone X1000. There's some really nice wood underneath the paint of this old thing, and it's exciting. Going forward, my plan is to make more videos and also go through the backlog of footage that I have and create some new videos. I've been really busy with life, setting up a new studio space, a new editing machine, new recording studio stuff. Like, there's a lot of really cool stuff happening right now. And I hope that all of you are still subscribed and still keeping a tab on me through all the social media that I'm on, because I'm doing tons of crazy shit all the time. So without further ado, I just want to say to everybody, thank you for following. There's going to be more updates coming soon with new shit, lots of new videos. So hang tight, drive slow, drink milk, let's make some dust. And I'll be back soon with even more awesome videos. Thank you again for watching.